We're Coatesville, and we're going to United Safety to look at their shocks, their specialty chairs.
How can specialty seats help with accidents? We went to United Safety and looked at their shocks, which can help with accidents and difficult terrain inside vehicles.
We have different kinds, like military and recreation. One of the bigger ones right here are going to be military, and so this one, these ones are more recreational. I was the coxswain for the rib boat, which is a rigid hull inflatable boat. So it goes about 30 knots. So imagine it, which translates to roughly 35 miles an hour.
Okay.
So imagine you're going 35 miles an hour, right? And every time you're hitting a wave, you're coming up, and then all that force coming back down, right?
Mm-hmm.
So over time, that causes injury, especially like in your back area. So what's great about our products is there's a shock mitigation technology. So in here, in these pedestals, right, it's designed to help absorb that energy, so it's preventing injuries. It's kind of the gist of what we do. My role is I'm the production line lead.
So Kevin and I are both manufacturing engineers.
This is the Shock 9000. This is the Shock 7000. This is the Shock 6000. This is the Shock 5000.